Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions lately in the office about wearing masks. Here are some of the questions that I've heard. Ever since I started wearing masks, Dr. Bradshaw, I get a lot of bad breath, like I really smell my breath. Or like when I take my mask off or the face covering off, I'm smelling really bad breath from the mask. Or Dr. Bradshaw, I've just noticed that my mouth is so dry all the time now. So I wanted to address these concerns not just for all of you who are people who come here to the office, but also everyone in general, which is why we're putting this on YouTube. Similar to some of the things that we've discussed in the past, like not rinsing toothpaste off. That's just great information for everyone. Or especially information that children should only breathe through their nose at night. That's something that every parent should know, and we want to get the word out about those type of things. And also now about the masks. We want to make sure everyone understands, well, why would you have worse breath? It's not just because everyone is smelling it all the time and now you put something over your face and now you're smelling your own breath. It's also because when we wear masks, a lot of times the wire at the top can pinch your nose and then you don't breathe effectively through your nose. So you resort to the backup for breathing, which is your mouth. And when you start to breathe through your mouth all the time, your saliva dries up more. And that has implications for both cavities in your mouth, bad breath, your gums being healthy or not healthy. In other words, the bottom line is you really should breathe through your nose. Breathing through your nose is the best way to breathe. Our bodies are designed to take air in and exhale air out through our nose. There are even some chemicals that are formed inside of our nose, inside of the cavities behind your nose, that are required for good health. So that's the bottom line. You want to breathe through your nose. Now, if that isn't possible, there are other things that you can do. And these are the pieces of advice that I've been giving people. Make sure you breathe through your nose, but if you can't, do something to stimulate your saliva. Now, maybe that's not chewing gum, but that is possible. So chewing sugarless gum can help. Also, sucking on sugarless candy can help. Both of those things, breathing through your nose and stimulating your saliva, can help alleviate some of the symptoms that people are noticing. Now, if it still doesn't go away, well, there's three main reasons for bad breath. One of them is maybe you have sinus drainage. Also, another thing that could be affected by having our nose pinched or not breathing effectively through our nose. In other words, if you're not able to breathe through your nose effectively, you actually get congested then many times. For those of us who have allergies, that is something that can occur. Well, then you feel like you can't breathe through your nose because you're congested. And if any of that congestion drains down the back of your throat, that is one of the sources of bad breath. Another source of bad breath is you're due to get your teeth professionally cleaned. Flossing, brushing, those are excellent things that you can do at home. All of us need to have our teeth professionally cleaned. So if you're due to get your teeth professionally cleaned, that's something that you want to take care of, and that'll help you with the bad breath. And the third and final reason is at the back of your throat, you have tonsils on either side of your throat and also at the base of your tongue, way in the back. Those tonsils collect food. So if you eat certain types of food and then pieces of that food gets caught in your tonsils, that can also cause bad breath. Now, there are other reasons, but these three main reasons are something that you can take care of. Gargling with a type of mouthwash that does not have alcohol in it can help take care of things at the back of your throat, like food in your tonsils or sinus drainage. Now, as far as the other one, which is you need your teeth professionally cleaned, we talked about how to take care of that. Get your teeth professionally cleaned. Make sure you floss every day. Those are things that can help your gums stay healthy. All of that is what you can do if it doesn't seem to help to stimulate your saliva and if you're unable to breathe through your nose. At any rate, the best thing is to come in, have us check out the oral health that you have and see if there's some way that you can improve or what specific advice for you we could give. So feel free to call the office and come in and we'll take a look. Other than that, we look forward to seeing you in the office, and we hope you guys stay safe and be well, and we'll talk to you next time.